Yes, I do.
Do those in fact appear to be a portion of a report written by you?
Yes, they are.
And Your Honor, these portions, well, actually, I will clarify, were these pulled from either the Lolly Time or the Lori for Style at iCloud?
I believe these are from the Lolly time.
And Your Honor, we have previously stipulated to admit the contents of the Lolly Time iCloud account. And based on that, my intent was to simply have Ms. Heidemann read a few excerpts from these messages.
Any objection to proceeding in that manner, Mr. Pryor?
No objection, Judge.
Okay, the witness may do so.
And Ms. Heidemann, looking at the first page there, that bottom text, can you indicate the date and time on that text?
August 9th, 2019 at 9:29:47 p.m. UTC -6.
And who was the message sent from?
It's actually from a 515 number attributed to Chad.
And who was it going to?
Lori.
And can you read just the last two sentences starting with "he kissed"?
He kissed her deeply as their breathing slowed. They entwined their bodies and held each other tightly before soon beginning another powerful round of pleasurable bonding.
And then if you turn to that next page, can you indicate the date and time that first message was sent?
And it's on August 9th, 2019 at 9:36:03 p.m. in UTC -6 time.
And can you tell who it is being sent from and who it is being sent to?
This one is from Lori to Chad.
And could you read it into the record, including the emojis, please?
That is pretty incredible. Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. The fire is definitely burning. The memories. Heart, heart, heart. I miss you way too much. You have to stop or I might explode.
And then can you indicate the date and time on the next message?
August 9th, 2019 at 9:38:27 p.m. UTC -6.
And who did the message appear to be sent from and to whom was it going?
Again, from Lori to Chad.
And could you read the content into the record?
The intensity of each encounter in my mind, one greater than the last. Oh my, fire emoji, fire emoji. Especially this last one. I've never loved you more. Heart. It just keeps growing. Kiss emoji.
And then that next one, if you could indicate the date and time.
August 9th, 2019 at 9:39:54 p.m. in UTC -6 time.
And who did it appear to be being sent from and to whom was it going?
From Chad to Lori.
And could you please read it into the record?
I completely agree. We were definitely in new territory in your bedroom.
And then the following message?
At this one's
Date,
on,
sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. On August 10th, 2019 at 4:38:08 p.m. in UTC -6 time.
And who did it appear to be going from and who was it being sent to?
From Chad to Lori.
Can you read it into the record?
Elena's magic hand has gripped the storm, and they stare into each other's eyes, barely able to breathe as intense waves wash over them.
And through the investigation, did you learn what storm was a name for?
It appeared to be a name for Chad's penis.
And then the next message there, can you indicate the date and time?
August 10th, 2019, 4:38:45 p.m. in UTC -6 time.
And who was it being sent from and to whom?
From Lori to Chad.
And could you read it into the record?
Yes, she did.
And did those appear to be a continual text thread?
They did. They were chronological. It looks like there was probably a half a day or so difference.
And then if you skip down to line 1033,
Okay.
if you could read the date and time into the record.
33. August 10th, 2019, 4:54:31 p.m. in UTC -6 time.
And who did it appear to be being sent from, and to whom was it being sent to?
From Chad to Lori.
And could you read it into the record?
I love you, Elena. What a wonderful chemistry we share.
And then if you could read the next one, if you could indicate the date and time into the record.
August 10th, 2019, 4:55:17 p.m. in UTC -6 time.
And if you could indicate who it was believed the message was being sent from and to whom it was being sent.
From Lori to Chad.
And could you read the content into the record?
I love you more. That's so hot. I just need you more than ever. Heart, heart.
And then the last line there, if you could indicate the date and time into the record.
August 10th, 2019 at 4:58:02 p.m. in UTC -6 time.
And who did it appear to be going from, and to whom was it being sent?
From Chad to Lori.
And could you read the content into the record?
You are amazing. Please save that segment. I want to read it with you naked, then relive it all.
And did those appear to be a text thread?
Yes,
And again, as part of your role in this, were you reading through the James and Elena to determine if it corresponded to real life events?
I did.
And did you in fact determine that there appeared to be some events in James and Elena that corresponded with what was going on with Chad and Lori?
Yes,
And again, in the James and Elena, when Chad and Lori would meet up, were there oftentimes descriptions of physical encounters as well?
yes.
I have just a moment.